try. All right, when last I left you, we went through that whole walking sequence, boom, 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 boom. Now, I'm going to simplify this a little bit because we're going to end up coming back the other way. If you know how to do it one way, you can just reverse it to go back the other way. But let's simply do the footwork. Follow me through just the footwork and we'll make this happen. Ready? Put your hands up like this. And we're just going to step. So we'll turn left and follow step. Back, follow step. Step left and forward, right and forward, forward, follow, back, follow, forward, follow. And that is how we do it. And then we turn around. Let's do that again. We're here. We step left, follow, back, follow. 1, 2, 3, follow, back, follow, forward, follow, turn. Let's do that one more time. We're going to keep this one concise and simple. Left, follow, back, follow. 1, 2, 3, follow, back, follow, forward, follow, turn. One more, and then you can just practice, try it out, and then rewind the video and follow again. Then try it out, rewind the video and follow again. Get to the point where you can do this footwork without thinking about it at all. Left, follow, back, follow. 1, 2, boom, 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 and we're back. Now, actually, we'll go ahead and start from here because the next portion of the form, we're going to be reversing that. So we might as well just learn how to go back and forth with it. Let's go ahead and, like I say, feel free, pause here, take your time, learn how to do it the one way, and we'll get into the next drill, which is to go to the right now. Right, follow, back, follow. 1, 2, 3, follow, back, follow, forward, follow, and we're here. Left, follow, back, follow. 1, 2, notice the nice, strong, bent knees, the head is up, all of those Tai Chi rules apply. 3, follow, back, follow, forward, follow, turn. Step to the right, follow, back, follow. 1, 2, 3, follow, back, follow, forward, follow, turn. Step, follow, back, follow. 1, 2, 3, follow, back, follow, forward, follow, turn. 1, follow, back, follow. 1, 2, 3, follow, back, follow, forward, follow. Excellent. Go ahead and pause here. Get to the point where you can do the footwork back and forth with no problems. All right, now we add the hands in. We already know this is the hitting the alarm clock portion. Around, push, follow. There's that first step. And we're basically just bringing the hands right by each other. Right? You want to be able to feel the energy move down the arm from here. Now, as you step forward, there's a little turn. Let your right hand turn and you push it forward. This is the right position. Feel how strong you are here. Step, turn both thumbs over. Boom. This hand goes down. Step, punch, follow, back, push. Notice the hands are pretty much staying in that nice line. When you can do it like this, everything is just kind of there, with perhaps the exception of dropping and punching. That might be hard to see with me turn the other way. So as you step, you drop one hand and punch over. And notice that this punch comes mostly from the body. You can release it a little bit if you like, or you can literally just step forward and hold it here. And then we're back and right in this area. So again, left arm up, step right, brush, push, follow, back, follow, one, slice, two, slice, down, punch, back, push, turn, inhale, exhale, push, back, one, two, down, step through and punch, back, push, inhale, exhale, to the right, back, feel that energy gliding past, step, the thumbs both turn, one hand goes forward, the other goes back, nice Tai Chi balance, feel strong here, step, feel strong, down, step, punch, back, and push. From piecing these together, yes, you're gonna have to take some time on this. It doesn't just happen overnight. Oh, maybe it does. But go ahead and go through each of those. When you can get this one down to the point that it just flows, this whole thing becomes one movement. You're here and you just boom, boom, 1, 2, 3, follow, back, push, around, and we're back. That's what we're going for. And that, by the way, is what's going to give you that excellent footwork. It's going to keep you nice and coordinated, and especially being able to tie where the hands feel like they're moving straight from the earth, where both hands, if you're having trouble doing this thing, just put your thumbs together. You'd have no problem like this, right? So what's the difference? They're just, hands are a little bit out. If one hand goes down, the other can go up. One hand goes forward, the other can go back, right? Feel that kind of change, and then just get comfortable with turn, up, turn, up, turn, up, turn up the beats.